They have all continued to gain weight. We are so proud of this mythology litter. Oh, biggest Dion. This is orange collar Hercules, and he is the most beautiful red. Show me his beautiful red coat. I cannot get it. You would think because he doesn't have a ton of white on him, he has very little white, that he wouldn't be as perfect, but he is truly gorgeous. I can't even describe it, but he is perfect. This is Miss Nike. Oh, we cannot get enough of Miss Nike. She's my smallest little girl. She's red collar. She's got a beautiful blaze. She's got her